I'm Sasha, and one of my favourite things in the world to do is skip. And I want to get more kids like you to pick up a skipping rope and have a go with it. Because there's actually heaps of really cool stuff we can learn with a skipping rope, but we don't know a lot about what those things are. So I'm going to teach you what to do with a skipping rope. Okay, this is the first move I'm going to teach you. Easy peasy to start with. I teach everyone this. Even if you already know how to skip, this is a good thing to learn, okay? It's called the toe catch. So the toe catch helps us get our timing for jumping. Okay, and the coolest thing about it, you don't even have to jump, all right? We're only gonna move our hands. All right, so this is starting position, out in front. Then we're just gonna circle the rope around, try to catch it in underneath our toes. If we can't catch it underneath, it's all good just to drop it in front. That's absolutely fine, okay? Here we go, starting position, circle them over, catch underneath. And there you have it, your first jump rope move. It's called the toe catch. Keep practicing that one, and then when you're ready to try to learn how to go over the rope and start jumping, you can go to the next video. Ka kite anō.